Why are people seeing a glowing ring of fire above the mountains? Is it a sign or just science? Let's find out. Some called it the Ring of Fire. A few even thought it was a portal or a warning from space. But here's the truth. What you saw is a solar halo, a rare natural trick of sunlight and ice. Tiny crystals way up high in the cold alpine air bend sunlight into a perfect glowing circle. It looks unreal, but it's all nature. No CGI needed. You can spot these halos in chilly places around the world. So next time you see a ring in the sky, don't panic. Just look up, snap a photo, and enjoy the magic. Follow for more sky mysteries.